Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Lewinner wireless microphone. I don't know if I pronounce it right, it's Lewinner or Lewinner. However, this is a wireless microphone which is a plug and play device. That means you don't need any apps for that. You just plug the receiver in your phone or in your PC or laptop or whatever, and you're good to go. Now let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. As you can see, I have the matching cutter as well. Now this is everything what you get in the box. The microphone, like I said, the receiver, and this case, which is also the charging case. As you can see here, you have to put it like this, and the receiver as well. So this is the both things that you need. Okay, it fits very well, and as you can see, it has a little LED indicators to show you how much battery you have, and you can charge it with this USB-C cable. Then you have these two little adapters, one for your computer or one for your iPhone, I guess. Actually, these adapters are very good and very helpful, because USB-C adapter to USB-B or to Lightning is something that you normally should buy, but in this case you have it already in there, and it's a huge benefit, I think. These two little pop filters and the dead cat, so it fits also really nice on it. It's like a little hat. The quality of the case and the quality of the device itself looks good. It's hard plastic, and I don't think you have to worry when it falls over or something like this. So the clip here is also very important, and they did a good job here as well, because it wouldn't fall immediately. So the whole idea here is that you have a plug and play device, which means you don't need any apps. And as you know, today everything has an app, which is very annoying, and at some point your phone is full of unnecessary app. But solutions like this, it's very nice to have, because you don't need any apps. You just take the case with you and plug it to your device, to your phone or to your PC, and it's gonna work. So now I'm gonna try this and check it out. So in my case, I want to use it for my iPhone. I have the perfect adapter for that. Just put it in. Okay, as you can see, the indicator shows that it's connected. Now it's time to check the sound quality and see how good this microphone actually is. In order to give you an idea about the sound quality, I've made this very small test, and you can compare the Lewinner USB microphone with my AKG Lyra. Now you can hear me from the AKG Lyra. The microphone gain is about 25%. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3. Now you can hear me from the Lewinner microphone. The microphone gain is about 25%. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3. Well, you have heard the quality of the microphone, and now you can choose for yourself if you want to buy this. If you like to purchase this microphone, I'll let you the link in the description. I would also like to thank Lewinner for providing me with this microphone. Thank you so much for watching and also subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me.